Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today is Ramadan day, so mashallah, alhamdulillah. And so yeah, today is all about Hamoud and kids in general. If you have toddlers, kids, today is all about them for me, okay? Because we are going into Hamoud's school. It's a book month, so parents are allowed to like come in. Every parent has been scheduled for a day to like walk in and have a reading session with their child and their classmates, okay? So ours is today and we're so excited about that. So you're allowed to bring in like treats for the kids and some donation books for other school like less privileged, and you come in with your child's favorite book to read in for him and his classmate, okay? As in for the child and the classmate. I'm saying him because of Hamoud. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to see how he's going to react because I dropped him off in school. I was just so happy, you know, he was so happy going to school. Mind you, I did a whole video on preschool prep and everything, but because I was late to post, I want to like target the school timing when children are resuming school, then I'll post this video. Do you understand? So yeah, what else again? Okay, so I have books with me that I want to take to Hamoud's school. His favorite book happens to be Bismillah. Can you see that? But I can't take this book because it's more of religious thing and some of his classmates are Christians, so I would just drop this. But we love this book. Hamoud has been reading this book and he knows how to say Bismillah. He knows he has to say Bismillah for every single thing. This book has taught him that, alhamdulillah. So if you can see the situation of the book, just see guys, I can't take it, not with the situation. You can just take it for donations, like some used books. I don't want to take his used books because some of his used books are personal, they're sentimental, things like this, and some other ones, and some their situation are like this. If you can see that, I can't even take them there, okay? So I ordered some books that I will take to the kids, inshallah, not the kids in his school, for donations, and we're giving the donations in the name of Hamoud. So whatever reward there is, inshallah, Hamoud will benefit from that, inshallah. So I'll show you his favorite books that I'm going to take in there. You will see they're all here. This, can you see? Should I increase the lights? Okay, sorry. So this, please and thank you, it's Hamoud's #1 book aside from the Bismillah, and Hamoud learns to say please and thank you because of this book. So we love this book so much. We have this, and we have I love you grandma. Can you see that? And we have this Go Webs, which is a new book added to his books collection, and it came with a Spidey something that the Spider-Man just like release the web. So I'll go with that so that the kids can have fun. There are other books that I can go with, they can have fun with, but I don't really want to like distract them in such a way. But we'll go with this. I know they will like it. And if you can see the way we sectioned the thing in here, we have his book when he was a baby. I recorded everything, his journal, and this is a baby prince. And we have those books as well. This is new, we haven't opened it yet, with some other ones and the drawings. And this section is for the Islamic section, the religious book. Can you see that? So we have some other ones tucked somewhere, and we have some in the car. So I'll just go with this one and I will tell you about it, how it goes, inshallah. It will go well, inshallah. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Bye. We got a package, guys, from it with Zophobia. I'm so used to her thin because last year I used her thin as well, but 2 years back I used some other one, but we'll form a relationship anyway. So a business one. This is it, and I'm going to take these pouches. I'm going to put this and take them to Hamoud's school. So I think black for the boys and cream for the girls, right? Yeah. So. doesn't like chocolate something, so hence why I chose the other one for the boys. In case if they're sharing, he would get to have that other one, because if it's chocolate he will not take it, but if it's white chocolate, he takes white chocolate. So yeah, I'm going to put them in here. And Linda, let's put them in here, right? All the sacks. Yeah, this is it. I'm so excited. Ramadan Kareem, guys. When I get back, I will unbox with you guys, inshallah.
Whose mommy is this?
Whose mom is here? Mamu's mom. What do we say to Mamu's mom?
Mommy?
Hi, Mamu's mom. You're welcome.
I'm wearing some glasses. Like this?
Mommy?
Do you like this already? Yes, darling. He wasn't sure because I wore the glasses. I was like, and he has seen me with glasses. Yes, I did that intentionally because I wanted to see him. You want to remove this? Hello. I'm going to show you. We're going to read about this, okay? I should give Wood back home.
Thank you so much.
So I'll take this back home.
No problem. So you can go with them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You even notice I'm going. So bye. So I'll see you guys when I get home. And we're going to do a lot of unboxing, guys. I don't know why I don't have the energy to like talk much, but guys, I'm so excited to like talk to you, to like do all those videos and all. I recorded some part. I think if I'm okay I can share some part. I'm not okay, I will get to share that with you. But yeah, I'm still in this game. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye. Guys, I forgot to mention to you like Hamu's reaction when I came into the class. It was priceless. Like I intentionally wore this because it's new, and I put on some glasses. I had his Spidey on my wrist. I was like, let's see if he can recognize his mama elsewhere. But he was just sitting there. He was sitting like with his classmate. But I feel because they were expecting a mom, so it could be any other mom, and he didn't know because I dropped him off today, so he didn't even know maybe his mom is coming. I don't know what's in his head, because almost every day the other moms like came, not every other day, I think maybe like once a week or so. So when he saw me, he didn't recognize me. He was just looking. Thank you, Baba. So he was just like, when I took the glasses, he was, Mama! It was so he was so excited. He stood up, he was hugging me. The rest of his classmates were hugging me as well. Guys, don't mind me, I'm a bit down. I don't want to be down because really there are a lot of things to share and do in this Ramadan, and inshallah. So I'll see you guys. I decided to just wait a few minutes, like so I can just go with him. I don't have to come back and take him. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. So some orders were not actually meant for Ramadan, but it came during Ramadan, so I was just patiently waiting for them. These orders were supposed to come before Ramadan, but it doesn't matter. So I'll show you guys, I'll unbox it to you guys, and let's see. Okay, so this is the name of the brand. Can you see that? Yeah, she's very good, guys. This brand, she's really good. Welcome to the family. Bismillah. I have to pray. Eat with Sophia. She's matching mine. And we have Eat the Coke. Okay. I'm going to open all this up. I was planning to like have Hamoud's birthday during Ramadan, like with his first birthday. So I was browsing through like Eid decorations in UK to kind of order in bulk so I can like have them delivered to me. But then I couldn't do that. I was like, let's just celebrate him after Eid, inshallah. So that was actually what happened, and I decided to just got this. So the reason why I got everything late is because of that, okay? Because I wanted to get those ones. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's franchise with one in UK, but yeah. I got this because of Hamoud. I feel like he needs to know it's Ramadan, okay? It's Ramadan. And there is no other way that he would know that other than with decorations, because without decorations, he'll kind of feel like he won't even know we are fasting. So I just have to decorate because of Hamoud. If not, I don't mind not really decorating. This is my favorite purchase. This is my transparent. It's the color of my kitchen. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, we have a cake topper. I got this because my birthday is in Ramadan. We're not really celebrating or anything, but like if I have a cake, I'll just put this on it, okay? So you like it? Auntie Linda, wai ke ce? Auntie Linda gandiya irin ka ko? You are not fasting, Hamoud? Why? Do you like it?
Okay. Mommy, okay.
Ba wani hey guys, just eat your masara. Your corn.
Hey, mommy, guys.
Do you like the corn?
Yes.
Let me see. He's dipping his hand. He's eating it so.